Let me share with you an easy on-camera makeup tutorial. Hi guys, Megan Ambroch here, celebrity makeup artist and founder of sh.cosmetics. And I'm here with my friend Jenna, and we are going to do a simple and easy look for on camera, whether it's Zoom or any media you're using. So here is the gorgeous finished look, and here we go to show you how to do it. Here on the left is her finished look, and the right, clean face. First, we're going to start using a concealer. Now, with the concealer, what we want to do is we want to diminish any dark circles that she may have or you may have. Just bring a little bit more brightness under the eyes, and also to hide any or conceal any blemishes, discolorations, or marks. I'm using the Perfect Concealer here. This will cover everything. It looks nice and natural and really lasts all day long. Just apply that once and you're good to go all day. Next, let's move on to the eye base. This is the sh.cosmetics Antioxidant Eye Base. This product is amazing. I'm applying it with the concealing brush, and I'm just going to apply a light layer. This is going to hold your eyeshadow all day long. It is amazing. And plus it's antioxidant, so extra bonus. Next, we're going to curl our lashes. We're just going to hold that down to the lash line. Hold for like 2 seconds and then release. And then you have a nice curl to the lash. After that, you're going to apply your mascara. Let's move on to the eyeshadow application. I'm using the Baked Mineral Trio, and it's basically a light, medium, and dark shadows, which are coordinating for you. Takes the guesswork out of it. First, you're going to apply the lightest shade all over the entire lid, and then you're going to apply the darkest shade to the crease and to the corners, and just move that all the way around like a little windshield wiper motion. Corner and windshield wiper up and around. From there, you're going to take your medium shade and you're just going to put that on the eyelid, and then you're going to put the darkest shade under the eye. It's just a smooth little line there. So I'm just using the precision brush to do that, and I'm taking, again, that darkest shade, applying that under the lash line here at bottom lash, and we're just smudging that out with that precision brush. And I just move in towards the corner of the eye. Then I'm going to take the lightest shade using that same brush, and we're just going to give an extra pop to the eye right in the corner there at the right around the tear duct, and that will just give that eye an extra pop. Next, let's move on to our eyeliner application. I am going to use the Mineral Crayon Liner in Midnight. This way that I'm going to apply this is really going to make your eyes pop on camera. So you're first going to apply it on the waterline, like I did so here, and you can see the difference already in the two eyes. So go ahead and apply that on the other one. Then I'm just going to apply that liner right under the eyes, right there, just on the corner edge there, right to the center, and that's it. And just move that in towards the eye. Again, just the corners. Next, let's move on to our face primer. I chose the Illuminating Foundation Primer for Jenna because it gives you such a nice, beautiful glow to the skin. So what you're going to do is apply that with the foundation brush or your fingertips, whatever you like. I like to use the foundation brush. It just blends it so nice and evenly. And you're going to apply that all over the face, and don't forget to bring that down to the neck. And if your neck is open, down to the décolleté as well. You want to make sure that even your primer is blended. If it has any type of tint whatsoever, even if it doesn't, primer is there for a great reason to use prior to your foundation application. This is going to make it last extra long, and this one, for instance, will give a gorgeous glow to the skin. Now let's apply our foundation right on top of that using the same foundation brush. And I love Liquid Mineral Foundation. for on camera, it has a gorgeous finish to it and looks amazing on camera. Next, we're going to contour and bronze. I'm using the Copper Tone Swirl. You're just going to apply that right where the jaw line is. So I'm showing you right here with the brush. It's right the hollow part, right above. So just apply that up and around. You're also going to get right on the hairline. Apply that, dab, 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 blend, blend, blend. And then we're going to move on to our jawline to give that nice chiseled jawline. If you have a double chin, you want to get rid of that. You apply that darkness under there as well. And you just blend, blend, blend. That is the key to contouring and bronzing. That looks beautiful. Now on to eyebrows. I'm using the sh Brow Wax Splits. This is a powder and a wax, so it is going to give you the shape and it's going to give you the hold as well. So first you're going to take the powder. This comes with a cute little handy brush, so you're just going to apply that on your natural hairline. Jenna wanted to keep with her natural shape, so that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just filling it in, any sparse spots she may have, and just filling that. And then after I'm done filling, then I am going to go ahead and apply the wax on top of that. And I just brush up when I'm applying that wax, and that's just going to hold it and lock it in all day. It sets it really nicely. And now the lips. So I definitely recommend using a lip liner on camera, and you definitely want a liner and a lip color that is a little brighter than you normally use. Now top that off with Coral Lip Stay. This is a really pretty color for on camera. Just gives you that little bit of extra color that you need for that little baboon. Now let's apply blush. We're going to do that on the apples of the cheeks and just blend outward. And that's it. Last but not least, our finishing powder. Right here I use the Baked Mineral Foundation by sh.cosmetics, and this is going to help just lock everything in and smooth everything out. You definitely want to get under the eyes again and just pat that down. We tend to get really shiny on camera, so make sure that you powder. It is essential, and HD powder is great as well. And there you have it, simple and easy on-camera makeup. You can use this look for any type of medium, whether it be Zoom or what Reels or whatever type TV, anything. There it is, simple and easy. Thanks so much for joining me, and hope to see you real soon. Bye. I'm sorry, I had garlic last night, so. I was like, oh God, why did I eat that hummus?
We just had
in your face.
We just had coffee.
The coffee slash garlic, sorry. Very dear friend, Jenna